So the cell is our next topic, and under this topic we're going to look at some of the following subtopics, and this is what you need to know if you are looking at this for the first time. This is what you need to know if you are checking out this recorded class for revision purposes. This is what you must be in the know of. And so by the end of this topic, you should be able to define the cell, state the purpose of a light microscope, identify the parts of a light microscope and state their functions, use and care of the light microscope and calculate magnification, identify the components of a cell as under the light and electron microscopes and relate the structures to functions, compare plant and animal cells, mount and stain temporary slides of plant cells, describe animal cells as observed from permanent slides, estimate cell size, and probably finally state the differences between cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. So that's all for this topic. Remember, this is an introduction. If you would like to study all this on your own, check out at the bottom of your screen. There's an icon there. Make sure you get the biology app. Remember, it's similar to the icon but with a red background. So see you in our next class.